so, it's been a couple minutes, since the last video, and it's definitely, it's definitely slowed down, now I'm just dizzy and sweaty. But I started the video again because it kind of feels like there might still be something there. So I'm just gonna kind of babble until then. And then, of course, if not, then this will never see the light of day. I am gonna try to announce these, so we'll see how I do with that. I am having trouble breathing, but like, not bad at all. It's not like a dangerous level. Hold on. Ugh. I thought I had it. It's not like a dangerous level or anything. No, I'm gonna sneeze. I hope these don't sound weird, but they're always a lot softer once my asthma gets involved, for obvious reasons. Like sneeze. Because I can't really like I can't really like fill up my lungs as much. So I'm gonna sneeze, hold on. So I can't. What was I saying? I don't know. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna sneeze anyways.